Right, I'm going to show you how to build your Weebly site from scratch. First, you will open your browser and type in Weebly, weebly.com, and then you will press sign up. So you can use your email. Now, if you are going to use your school email, that's totally fine. Just be aware that if you use your school email, this website will disappear when you graduate, and your email disappears once it's deleted. So I recommend using a personal email. That way it will stick around, and so then in 10 or 15 years, you can show your friends, your family. 20 years, you can show your kids your school website that you did when you were in high school. That's just me, but you can choose whichever you want. So this is me, and we'll use and your password. So then it will create your site. And we just need a website. We don't need an online store. You aren't selling anything at this point. So I just need a website. Then it's going to ask you to choose a template. So there's a lot of different templates. Really, you're going to be personalizing this to be your own. So what's there doesn't really matter. So just because you like elephants doesn't mean you should choose this one. What you're looking at is the word, like if you like the lettering. So this is like all capitals. So you're just looking for that because everything else pretty much is going to change. So let's see. I recommend choosing like either a portfolio or a blog. It doesn't really matter. So I'm going to choose this one. This is going to show me the theme. And if you like it, we're going to start editing. So it will create your site. It's going to ask you what you want the site to be called. So you basically get to make this up. This is one of the reasons why I had you do your Connect graphic organizer. So maybe you have a little bit more of a creative thing to put for your site name. But let's see, I can put, we're just going to enter something that I want to call it. And we'll say, Sarah is an orca, and let's see, Sarah is an orca. We're going to go to subdomain. We want it to be free, so sarahisanorca.weebly.com, yay, is available. If I just put Sarah, I'm guessing, yep, sarah.weebly.com is unavailable. So you have to enter something until sarahisanorca.weebly.com. You're going to choose that one. If you choose one of these ones, it will ask you to pay, and I don't want you to pay for this. So you're going to choose that bottom one, and it's going to set up your domain for you. Hooray! So once it's all set up, this is what it's going to look like. It'll look just like your template, and so you want to change this so that it's yours. I don't want to see anything that looks like the template from before. So here, delicious. It turns out this is actually an image, not something you can change the type of. So you can change that, put in a different picture that you want, or you can just delete it. Delete. So if you had a logo or something, that's where you could put it. You will, if you're in graphic design, you will eventually have a logo. And here, this is, you can have something or nothing. I'll put Orca Girl. And this picture, oh, you know what? I'm getting ahead of myself. So this is how you edit things. You can click and drag all this stuff. But really what you first want to do in here is go to Pages. And depending on your template, there might be a bunch of pages or not very many pages. So this has 4 different pages. All you need for this class is a blog page. So you will know it's a blog page because maybe it says blog, but a lot of the templates it doesn't actually say blog. It says something like journal or my adventures. And you'll know it's a blog page because there's this little speech bubble. So any page that is not your blog page, that doesn't have that speech bubble, you're going to click on it and delete it. We are just going to clean this site right up because we don't want all those extra pages on there. Delete, delete. So now I just have one page. It's a blog page. Yay. If you don't have a page that has that little speech bubble, you're going to press add and choose a blog page. Now, there's no picture on here, so that's fine if you don't mind that. But if you want a picture, you can click on the blog page and we can add a header in. And the header is going to give you this thing to work with. So now this automatically sets to the picture that the template wants. So here we can say my pics, yay. And this I'm going to change, this background image I want to change to my own picture. So I'm going to edit background and it's on image. So I can replace that image. Or as you saw here, I can change it to a color. I can do a gradient. A video, you actually have to pay for that, so we aren't going to do that. But let's say I want to change it to a color. I can change my color. Here we can choose what color we like. My favorite color is reddish orange. Oh, no redder than that. There we go. That's what we're talking about. Okay. Fabulous. And I can click off of that and hooray. So now I have my blog page. It's my personalized thing. Under author, you can change this and say that's my initials and write a little thing about yourself. Whatever, just a sentence. We don't have archives yet because we don't have any blog posts yet. And there, now this is your blog post. This is your blog page. Now each time you add something to your blog, it's going to be a new post. So the new post button is right down here. It is blue. And depending on which template you chose, you may have to scroll down to see your new post. Maybe your header is really big. So when I press new post on this template, the post just appears down here. Hooray. So each new post will stack on top of itself, on top of the previous one. So when I go to your blog page, I'll be able to see your newest post first, which is really great. It helps keep things organized. It keeps things in bite sizes. So we'll say my first post. And then the body of your post is down here. So it says drag elements here. Your elements are your blog editor. They're to the left. So these are all the different things you can pull in here. So a title is going to be bigger than our text. Photo 1. And then here I'm bringing the text. And I want to bring a picture in. So you'll notice when I pull my elements in, this blue bar shows me where it's going to go. So this blue bar says it's going to go all the way underneath everything. This blue, so as I'm dragging it around, if I want it to just go under this text, it will go there. If I want it to go just under that text, it'll go there. And the blue bar shows you, and that shows me that it's going to go to the side. So once you have things in, you can move them around. Say I want my title, and then I want my text right under the title, so I can put that there. Now I have my picture, my text, my title, and my text. I love this photo because Henry is the cutest. Now that's not, I want you to write a little more than that, but I'm just doing this for a sample. So if I want to upload my image, if your image is on your desktop, which mine of course is not yet because I wasn't fully prepared, we're going to pull this one off. But look how cute he is. Oh, you're so cute. I love you. Okay. Done. You cannot take pictures directly from iPhoto. So you have to put them on your desktop. For that reason, you'll have a photography folder, but Here, we're going to upload our image. I don't have that yet. I just am doing it off the cuff. So I'm going to upload. It might say drag or upload photo. Don't ever drag pictures. It almost never works. It's weird. I don't see it on here. Well, that's okay. Go to pics. I'm sure there's going to be a cute picture in here. No, there's not. But you'll choose a picture. We'll just choose this one for now. Then your picture will upload. And when I'm done with this, I'll press post. You guys need to publish your site. So you'll press the blue button that says publish. And this window is a link. If you copy and paste from the navigation bar, you see this says www.weebly.com/editor/main.php #. That's not going to bring me anywhere. You want to send me your actual blog link. So you're going to copy and paste this and write it in an email to me. So you will just email stempletonbush@bonnieeagle.org and send me that, and then we are all good.